Those eyes seemed to pull Gavilar forward, to overwhelm him, to consume him. He saw storms, endless storms, and the world was so frail. A tiny speck of blue against an infinite canvas of black. The Stormfather could lie?
Roshar is he actually a herald?
Yes.
Gavilar felt cold, as if he were standing in the high storm, ice seeping in through his skin, seeking his heart. Those eyes.
What are you?
The biggest fool of them all. Goodbye, Gavilar. I have seen a glimpse of what is coming. I will not prevent it.
What? What is coming?
Your legacy.
The door slammed open. Sadeas, his face red from exertion.
Assassin!
He waved Taram, in plate, to tromp in.
Coming this way, killing guards. We need you to put on your armor. Taram, get it off. We must protect the king.
Gavilar looked around him, stunned. Then one word cut through. Assassin.
I've been betrayed.
He found that he was not surprised. One of them had been bound to come for him. But which one?
Gavilar! We need you in armor! Assassin on the way!
Taram can fight him, Toril. What is one assassin?
This one has killed dozens already. I think we should have you in plate just in case. You could wear mine, but my armorers is still bringing it.
You brought your armor to the feast?
Of course I did. I don't trust those Parshendi. You do well to emulate me. Trusting too much could get you killed someday.
Screams sounded in the distance. Taram, loyal as always, began removing the plate for Gavilar to don.
Too slow. We need to buy time. Give me your room.
Gavilar hesitated, then met his friend's eyes.
You'd do that?
I worked too hard to put you on that throne, Gavilar. I'm not going to let that go to waste.
Thank you.
Sadeas shrugged, pulling on the robe as Taram helped Gavilar suit up. Whoever this assassin was, he'd find himself outmatched by a shard-bearer. Gavilar glanced toward where the Stormfather had been, but the shimmer was gone. Spren couldn't lie. They couldn't. He'd learned that from the Stormfather. Gavilar's plate locked onto his legs.
Blood of my fathers. What else did it lie to me about?
Gavilar fell, and he knew, as he fell, that this was it, his ending. A legacy interrupted, an assassin who moved with an otherworldly grace, stepping on wall and ceiling, commanding light that bled from the very storms. Gavilar hit the ground, surrounded by the wreckage of his balcony, and he saw white in a flash. His body didn't hurt. That was an extremely bad sign.
Thaylenah. Only Thaylenah could send an assassin who could do such things.
A figure rose before him, shadowed in the night air.
I expected you to come.
The assassin knelt before him, though Gavilar couldn't see anything more than shadows. Then, the assassin, doing something Gavilar couldn't make out, again glowed like a sphere.
You can tell Thaylenah that he's too late.
I don't know who that is.
The man held his hand to the side, summoning a blade. This was it. Behind the assassin, a halo, a corona of shimmering light. The Stormfather.
I did not cause this. I do not know whether that brings you peace in your last moments, Gavilar.
Then, who? Roshar? Sadeas? I never thought...
My masters are the Parshendi.
Gavilar blinked, focusing on the man once more as his blade formed. Storms. That was Jezrien's honor blade, wasn't it? What was happening?
The Parshendi. That makes no sense.
This is my failure as much as yours. If I try again, I will do it differently. I thought your family.
His family. In that moment, Gavilar saw his legacy crumbling.